Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see the different status of, of a receipt. When we create the receipt with check payment, we will see what is the status. Click on Navigator, click on Receivables, we will check the roles first. Security console, click on Users, say ERPZEN. We'll check the data access once. Click on Setup and Maintenance. Business data access for users. Yeah. Open the task. Search with users with data access. Search your username. ERPZEN. Now click on search. Account receivable manager. Account receivable specialist. Yes. Now we'll try to create a receipt. Click on Navigator. Yeah. Click on Accounts Receivable. Click on Task List. Now click on Manage Receipts. Now search with receipt date. Now when you create a receipt with check as the receipt method, you can see confirmed status. Why? Because in your receipt class and method, go to Setup and Maintenance, Manage Receipt Class. Go to Setup and Maintenance, Manage Receipt Class and Methods. Go to All Tasks. manage receipt class and method. Manage receipt class and methods. Yeah, open the task. Now search for ERPZEN. Yeah, ERPZEN receipt class and method. Here, so open this. Yeah, here you can see creation method manual and remittance method is standard. Since it is a check payment method, customer has paid us through check and we have to receive the check and we have to deposit the check, and later at the clearing house the check will be cleared and amount will be credited to our bank account. So manual, standard and by matching. Now we'll check electronic payment methods. Now click on navigator. Now click on receivables. Click on accounts receivable. Click on task list. Now click on create receipt. Now standard, what is the business unit? Select receipt method. Receipt number is optional. It is not optional, it is mandatory field, but you can populate any random number. But in case of check, you have to populate the check number, say $100. And if you click on submit and apply manually, yeah, here you can see the status as remitted. Since already this amount was deposited into our bank account, so you can omit the process of clearing the checks, depositing the checks. There is no such process. So the difference is this. And you can see whenever you create any receipt, it is having unapplied amount, but since you haven't specified any customer information, it is showing it as unidentified amount. Now if you specify your customer, ERPZEN search. Now since you have specified your customer, the status was updated from unidentified to unapplied. Click on home. Click on yes. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.